License tips for success. First thing we have to do is clean this window. If we turn on the defroster, it's gonna fog up. So we got our car moving and we just wanna let the oil circulate through the motor. It's very cold. I don't recommend you just hammer on an engine when it first starts up. We know oil is circulating through, but you got to take your time. If you can see my cold breath, you know it's cold. We're in the Midwest, things freeze. They have to warm up, including us as humans. So we're still waking up. The motor's still waking up. Now we can roll down our windows. You see what I'm doing? I'm gonna stop. And I gotta look left and right. But then I gotta move forward. A lot of beginners miss this step and they just pull out in front of a car. So I really want you to be safe. See, now we can really see, and that's what I want you to be able to do, is see. It takes a little bit more time. People might be mad, but we don't care if we're making people mad. We want you to be safe. So now you can just come out to the street. Very easy, no problem. And then sometimes the police sit over there and hide. So if you come out here hitting that gas real hard, you know what's gonna happen. You're gonna get a ticket. So we're at 40, speed limit's 50. We just letting this old girl warm up, hitting that defrost, and just letting her eat. All we're gonna do is take our time, be patient, and just let the car connect with the road, be safe. I'm gonna get over one lane to the right, so I gotta look over my shoulder. You see me doing that, and then I get into the lane real easy. If you don't have a supportive coach, you're gonna struggle. I'll be turning into the second right lane. This is a double right turn, so I'm gonna squeeze my brakes using the ball of my foot, and I want to see the rear of the tires on the ground. And if you can't see the rear of the tires, you're too close. I don't care if you have a gasoline powered car, electric car, it's hard. You'll lose some range, and of course, things are hard to start. You can see the car's not even warmed up yet. So you just gotta take your time, let things come to you. You need a coach who's patient, who's gonna support you, and not criticize you and make you nervous. A lot of my videos go